Back to the Future.
Back to the Future is crazy.
Yeah.
Automatically, just first words was Back to the Future.
Yeah, that was mostly my dream.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Also,
I saw my past self.
So both of
What?
remember my deck profile I did like yesterday?
We did a match yesterday.
No. I'm talking about hamsters.
Oh my gosh! Come on, man. Look, I'm not.
You can't,
I don't feel like
avoid it.
I don't feel like telling the world how much I hate hamsters, even though it's recording already.
Oh, bro, you trust me.
Why?
Hamsuke will give justice.
Why are you?
Justice will be kibble.
Why are you? Look, I didn't even do nothing. Why are you? Why are you dropping this on me?
Hamsters is awesome, honestly. Before we draw, I got a 6. I got an exact 6. I'm kind of mad about that. Never mind, I'm not mad about that. I'm going first.
Wait, that. Oh, I got a 4.
Yuppie.
Alright.
I'm putting 2 back, honestly.
Sorry. Mask. Where's my mask?
Word. You see, even Mr. T agrees.
Y'all are acting like I have COVID and it's getting annoying.
You probably do and you don't know.
No, I don't. I took like 3 tests. I'm negative. I took like 3 tests.
Yeah, but you're not negative for that strong cough.
It's flu season. What do you mean? What do you think?
Flu season. Imagine not having your flu shot. Not putting anything back?
Nope.
That is wild. You must be pretty confident. Alright, so I'm going first, right? Stand up. If I could grab it. Stand up. Stand guard. Draw. Right hamsuke. Draw. Go.
Okay. One place this card from your hand.
You gotta draw first. First of all, you gotta draw first. Then you gotta get a quick shield. Then you discard said quick shield to then do his skill. You don't have to discard an actual card from your hand.
Where is my quick shield?
Back to my theory, the quick shield is just discard fodder. If you pass the quick shield, it literally says quick shield on it. I'm usually familiar with the quick shield being the actual shield, you know? Yeah, it has the same skill. Just that this one's colorful and pink.
I know, but like I'm talking about the actual shield logo stuff. You know what I mean?
This one?
Okay. Yes, that one.
Cool.
You for that one.
What was the skill? Discard a card. Then draw a card. Did you draw a card?
Yeah, I already did.
Cool.
You got a pair?
For 13. Yeah.
No guard.
Okay.
I'm not scared.
First check.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
Draw.
Nah, I caught on.
Right.
Ride. Skill. Turn button like a top 2. I'll call hamsukes and then let's go here.
There was this one time where I coughed up my own mucus.
I didn't have to know that. 9. 9. Yeah, 9 to your man.
Damn wrong.
Give me a ball here. Yeah, no guard.
Sure. Draw check. Hamsuke.
Heal trigger, I don't heal.
Fuck. 9 won't hit. Pass her.
Okay. Wait, you said 9 on?
It won't hit. You're 18. This is a 9.
Oh, right.
Let's just put them to the bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
Doesn't have a Vanguard skill.
It only has a regard.
I think, right? Mason only has a Vanguard.
Yeah, he has a
He just has straight regard skill.
He has a regard skill.
Yeah, but you don't have anything in your drop zone.
Frick. Well, alright, whatever. I'm not gonna use him, so I'm just straight
I ain't scared of you. Hit me.
Alright.
You see?
because I always mix up the triggers with the normals.
Draw. Ride. Hamion. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta get an XL2 first. XL2 draw a card.
You went and got a pair already? You went downstairs and got a pair already.
Call skill, can I bust one, look at top 3.
How many more? 2 more. Damn.
Oh yeah. What would it do? Reel up to 1 card with hamsuke in his card name. Okay.
Alright. Oh yeah, now remote.
You. I'm gonna add this to my hand.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I did not go slides.
Let's go to the bottom deck in any order. How am I gonna do this? Because I want hamsuke. So. Alright, so I'll do it this way. I'll call hamsuke here. Hamsuke on top of hamsuke. Because I'm not done, I'm gonna call the fox on top of hamsuke. And then I'm gonna call hamsuke right here. Everything's hamsuke. At this point, everything's hamsuke. I'm gonna activate the skill of this hamsuke. I'll put these 2 to the bottom of the deck. Since I put these 2 to the bottom of the deck in any order, I'll counter 1. And also, I'm not sorry.
What happened by accident?
Attack for 12.
Yeah.
12 to your Vanguard. Good sir. 12 to your Vanguard.
Say what? Say that again.
12 to your Vanguard.
Insanity.
12. Okay.
Right. First check, no trigger. Second check, crit. Critical to Vanguard, power to rear.
Oh, dang, I didn't realize you were on
I mean, I'm the one going first. Skill of Hamion.
I take 3, right?
You take 2. Skill of Hamion. Discard 2 cards from hand.
Yeah, I always keep thinking.
Reveal the bottom card of my deck. It's a hamsuke. Write it. XL2, draw 1.
How many attacks are we gonna do on this time?
Good question. This gets 1 drive, so when this unit attacks, I'll Soul Blast 1, give this plus 10. So this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This is 17 to your event.
Not like that, Emily, not gross.
17 to your event.
Alright, I'm a guard.
You okay?
Yep.
12, 1 drive.
Okay. 12, 1 drive.
Yep.
No guard.
Check. No trigger. Take 1.
Okay.
19.
Why?
Yeah.
This is looking like a scary situation.
It is a scary situation.
Yeah.
That's normal.
No guard.
Take 1. This is.
No trigger.
Yeah, you heal 1. You can heal anything.
Yeah, no.
This is 1424 to your Vanguard.
Alright, now I'm a guard.
Cool. At the end of turn, due to this card's effect right here,
Yeah.
since this got plus 10, it'll retire. And that's my game.
Pass turn?
Yep.
Alright.
Paulson, there's an infestation in the room. Hamsters are everywhere.
I know.
Mr. T, there's an infestation in the room. There's hamsters everywhere.
You are not lost.
I'm calling it right now.
You can't use it.
Why?
It's when it attacks.
That says
When rolled upon. That means when you're right on top of that card. And you forgot to get a force mark.
Oh my god. Everybody being weird. That's why I've been saying that for like months. You know, I've been going like
Yo. You know it's that.
Did you pick that one because it looked cool, or did you pick that one because you wanted extra 10K?
Extra 10K.
But it's hurting though. Being weird, right? And you like,
Well, you do your turn. I'm throw this banana peel away.
I don't mean you be weird.
Alright. One place this unit gets. So that means, oh my god. Oh my god. This guy is now 3,000. This guy's not 3,000.
You mean 30?
30, my bad. This guy's 30,000.
An even better tip,
Yeah.
do it like that. You notice how, like, when I call a card in a marker,
Yeah.
the little marker shows you?
I'm going to strong. 38,000.
Sure. Let's figure.
Okay. Yeah, alright. This is 18,000, I think. That's a
I'm 42.
That's a not your for to. Alright, so do the drive checks. Okay. First set front trigger.
That's a draw.
Oh, draw trigger. I guess the card.
What are you giving power to?
Giving power to this over here. And second check, no trigger. Oh, right. There is still a chance to go for your rear guard.
Sounds like a skill issue, Wilson.
It is. I know.
Michael?
It is, right? Yeah. It is. It's your turn once again.
Alright, Hamian. XL2, draw 1. Sure you don't got COVID, Wilson?
No, I don't have COVID. I took like 3. I told you already. I took like 3 tests.
That's what they'll say. So, anyways, I'm
serious.
hold on, wait. Let's talk to you serious. I'm gonna call hamsuke here. I'm gonna activate the skill of Hamian. I'm going to counterblast. Wait, listen. I'm going to counterblast one. Discard a card from my hand. They're all heal triggers. I just realized that. Call any number of hamsukes from deck to rear.
Your arm's not cold. Your arm's not cold.
No. I never freeze.
Look at you.
I call 3.
Nah, he entertaining.
You got like you got like rear guard.
I do. Cut the deck.
You press the button, that's all.
Straight minutes, man. You could put it.
You gotta buy it.
I'm activate this skill first. I'm going to put these 2 to the bottom of the deck, and then the order and counter cards 1.
My nigga did.
Yo, Jim was good, yo.
Am I gonna get those to the bottom of the deck?
Good, man. No,
I'm gonna activate this. I'm gonna put this to the bottom of the deck.
hell no.
That's 3 in a row.
Let me press the refresh
I
button.
can't tell where they
No,
are.
we good.
Let me press the refresh button.
How do I say I can't tell where the beginning ends and the end begins?
I don't know. 20.
20?
Yep.
My Vanguard?
Yeah, bro, let me press the refresh button.
Me too, bro. I fuck with you. I take a lane.
I'm calling the perfect guard.
Sure. First check, no trigger. Second check, no trigger.
How much?
16. Oh, by the way, this gets 5K. No, 3K. Sorry, my fault.
Yeah. No, okay, no guard.
Say it again.
Take 1.
Both good deal.
I'm going to attack skill.
What that mean?
I'm gonna put hamsuke to the soul and drop the soul. This gets plus 10k. Actually, no. I'm gonna give this hamsuke right here 10k, and it'll retire at the end of the turn.
Okay.
This is 14 Vanguard.
I'm surprised you haven't really gone for my real cards yet. I'm gonna be honest.
What are they gonna do? There's a grade 1 and a grade 2. That one place gets 10k, and either way, at the next turn, it's going to your soul.
The next one goes to my
Both of them are going to your soul.
for serious.
Yep.
I gotta read this.
It's not that their own card skills do it.
Oh. Alright. Yeah, it's like in the end, it doesn't even matter. Is this enough?
14. I think the 15k was enough.
Yo, nah.
Alright, yeah.
This is nice.
Cool.
Try to use your computer.
This is 14, 15, 16, 17, 17.
Tell me.
Shoot, no guard.
Take one. Better not get a fucking heal trigger.
I got a critical. God damn it.
I prayed on your downfall. Hamsters for the win.
The one time I get a critical trigger, it doesn't even work.
I know, right? We have a good game. What do you think about hamsters? What do you think about hamsters?
Hamsters are ridiculous.
They didn't do anything.
I know, but still, they're ridiculous in game. They're ridiculous in gameplay. Oh my god.
Yeah, you know, it's beautiful to play with hamsters. Wait, when do we leave this class?
11.
No, 11, 17.
Oh, 17?
Oh,
okay. We have time for one more match.
Yeah.
Yippee! Hold on. Anyways, guys, this is it. We're gonna go to the second match.
Yeah.